Redis is already fast, but Redis-Stack takes it further by bundling powerful extension modules directly into a single server binary, turning Redis into a true multi-model database. RedisStack is the official distribution that ships Redis core plus 5 modules. Instead of storing everything as strings and doing logic in your app, you get native data types and query engines right inside the database. When you start RedisStack-server, the core Redis engine boots first, then each module registers its own commands. From the client side, every module command looks and feels exactly like a normal Redis command. Same protocol, same connection. First, we store a JSON document with JSON.set, update a field in place with JSON.newMinCreY, then create a search index with featuring create. After that, featuring search lets us query by full text or numeric range, no extra infrastructure required. When reviewing a PR that uses RedisStack, check 4 things. Is the right server binary used? Is the index created before it is queried? Is JSON.set used with a JSON path? And do the schema field types actually match the data being indexed? RedisStack gives you a multi-model database without changing your client code. The most common review mistake is mismatched schema types or forgetting to create the index. Get those right, and you get the full power of search and JSON at Redis speed.